Have you ever wondered if the right microwave could completely change the way you cook, reheat, and even think about mealtime? Most people see a microwave as just a convenience tool, but Panasonic has been quietly redefining what's possible with this everyday appliance. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best Panasonic microwave models available right now, comparing their features, benefits, and what you can expect when you use them. Think of this as your in-depth guide to choosing the perfect fit for your kitchen, based on real-world performance and detailed Panasonic microwave reviews. And if you're curious about the latest prices, I've put links to each product in the description box below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's start with the Panasonic NNSU696S, a countertop microwave that blends simplicity with power in a way that makes everyday cooking feel effortless. At 1100 watts, it delivers quick, even heating that ensures your food is ready when you are, without the cold spots you might get from less capable models. You'll appreciate its 1.3 cubic feet of capacity, which strikes a perfect balance between space-saving design and the ability to handle larger plates or bowls. The 12.4-inch turntable rotates smoothly, making sure your food is heated from every angle. So, whether you're reheating last night's pasta or cooking vegetables from frozen, you can expect consistent results. This is a strong contender if you're looking for the best Panasonic countertop microwave for everyday use. One of the standout benefits you'll notice is the one-touch sensor cooking. This feature automatically adjusts the power level and cooking time based on the steam emitted from your food, meaning you don't have to guess how long to heat something or worry about overcooking. Imagine placing a bowl of soup inside, pressing a single button, and having it come out perfectly hot without you lifting a finger to adjust settings. The microwave also offers quick 30-second increments for those moments when you just need a little extra heat, giving you precise control without fuss. The NNSU696S also includes a popcorn button that's been fine-tuned to reduce unpopped kernels while avoiding the burnt smell that can happen with generic settings. This might seem like a small detail, but it's the kind of thoughtful engineering that makes a difference in day-to-day use. The Keep Warm feature is another benefit you'll quickly grow to love, keeping dishes like sauces or hot drinks at an ideal temperature until you're ready to serve them, so your meal prep feels less rushed. And when it comes to design, the sleek stainless steel finish not only looks modern, but is also easy to wipe clean. The control panel is intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons and a bright digital display that's easy to read even in low light. If you've ever been frustrated by microwaves that are either too complicated or too basic, you'll find this model hits that sweet spot of user-friendly functionality and reliable performance. It's one of those models that often appears in Panasonic microwave reviews for its balance of size and performance. Now, moving on to the Panasonic NNSN65KB, a compact yet powerful microwave that's perfect if you want efficient cooking without sacrificing counter space. With its 1200 watts of power, it delivers fast, even heating that rivals much larger models. The 1.2 cubic foot capacity is ideal for smaller kitchens or apartments, yet still roomy enough to fit a dinner plate or medium-sized casserole dish. The 13.4-inch turntable ensures your food is rotated smoothly, so you can expect consistent heating from edge to center every time. What you'll really notice with the NNSN65KB is the benefit of Panasonic's inverter technology. Unlike traditional microwaves that pulse power on and off, inverter technology delivers a steady stream of energy, which means your food cooks more evenly and retains more of its original texture and flavor. Picture defrosting chicken breasts without ending up with partially cooked edges or reheating leftovers without drying them out. This is where the technology really shines, making it one of the best Panasonic inverter microwave options in its size category. The microwave also includes a built-in sensor that automatically adjusts cooking times and power levels for a variety of foods. You can place a plate of mixed vegetables inside, press the sensor cook button, and let the microwave do the thinking for you. This is especially useful if you're multitasking in the kitchen and don't want to constantly check on your food. The quick minute timer and delay start functions add another layer of convenience, letting you control your cooking schedule with precision. Its sleek black finish gives it a modern, understated look that blends seamlessly into most kitchen styles. The control panel is straightforward with clearly marked options that make it easy to find the setting you need. And with a popcorn button that's been calibrated for optimal results, you can enjoy perfectly popped kernels without the guesswork. It's a feature set that often earns this model a mention in any Panasonic microwave review that focuses on compact, high-performance units. Next up is the Panasonic HomeCHEF Connect 4-in-1 multi-oven, which takes the concept of a microwave and expands it into a true multi-cooking powerhouse. This is more than just a microwave. It's a combination microwave, convection oven, broiler, and air fryer, all in one sleek appliance. Powered by smart technology through the Panasonic Kitchen Plus app, it connects to your phone via Fresco, giving you guided cooking, personalized recipes, and real-time updates right at your fingertips. The benefit here is versatility. You can use it to quickly reheat leftovers, air fry crispy fries without oil, bake cookies with even browning, or broil fish to perfection. Imagine being able to go from defrosting chicken to roasting it in the same appliance without ever turning on your main oven. The HomeCHEF Magic Pot accessory takes it even further, allowing for perfect steaming and slow cooking. So, you can prepare tender vegetables or hearty stews with minimal effort. With connected cooking, you can scroll through recipes on your phone, select one that catches your eye, and have the oven automatically set the ideal temperature and cooking time. This means less time fiddling with controls and more time focusing on enjoying your meal. The app also allows you to bookmark your favorite recipes, so you're never stuck wondering what to make for dinner. The spacious interior gives you room to cook for the whole family, while the sleek stainless steel design makes it a stylish addition to your countertop. The intuitive control panel and clear display make it easy to switch between cooking modes, so you're never more than a few taps away from your next meal. And because it's a 4-in-1, you'll find yourself using it for everything from weekday breakfasts to weekend dinner parties. Have you ever wished one appliance could handle almost everything you cook? With the HomeCHEF Connect 4-in-1, that's exactly what you get. A single smart solution that adapts to your needs and makes cooking not just faster, but more enjoyable. It's a model that often shows up in best Panasonic microwave lists because of its unmatched versatility. Finally, we come to the Panasonic NNSN97JS, a high-powered countertop microwave that's all about precision and capacity. With an impressive 1250 watts of power and a generous 2.2 cubic foot capacity, it's built for families or anyone who needs to cook or reheat larger portions. The 16.5-inch turntable can easily accommodate large casserole dishes or multiple plates at once, making it perfect for meal prep or entertaining. This model features Panasonic's cyclonic wave inverter technology, which distributes energy in a circular pattern for ultra-efficient cooking at all temperature levels. This means your food is heated more evenly and retains more of its natural flavor and nutrients. Whether you're defrosting meat, reheating soup, or cooking vegetables, you can expect consistently excellent results, which is why it's often considered the best Panasonic inverter microwave for those who need extra capacity. The built-in automatic sensor adjusts cooking times and power levels based on the food's moisture levels, taking the guesswork out of cooking. With 20 preset menu items, you can quickly prepare a wide variety of dishes without needing to manually program settings. The quick minute timer, delay start, and child safety lock add layers of convenience and peace of mind. The NNSN 97JS also includes a food warming feature that keeps dishes like soups, gravies, or desserts warm until you're ready to serve them. This is especially useful when you're juggling multiple dishes or waiting for guests to arrive. And despite its large capacity, the microwave's design is thinner and lighter than you might expect, giving you more interior space without taking up too much room on your counter. Visually, the stainless steel finish gives it a professional, polished look that fits seamlessly into both modern and traditional kitchens. The control panel is easy to navigate with a bright display that makes it simple to see your settings at a glance. Have you ever wanted a microwave that feels like it's working with you, not just for you? That's the experience the NNSN 97JS delivers from the very first use, and it's one of the reasons it regularly appears in Panasonic microwave reviews and Best Panasonic Countertop Microwave Roundups. If you've made it this far, you've seen just how diverse and capable Panasonic's microwave lineup can be. From the compact efficiency of the NNSN 65KB to the all-in-one versatility of the HomeCHEF Connect 4-in-1 and the high-capacity precision of the NNSN 97JS, there's truly something here for every kitchen and cooking style. Each model offers its own blend of power, technology, and thoughtful design that can make your daily cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you're ready to explore these options further, I've placed links to the current prices for each product in the description box below. Check them out and see for yourself which one deserves the title of Best Panasonic Microwave for your home.